Welcome to my channel, you all. I'm Monique D, and today let's hop right into it. I am now rinsing my hair with apple cider vinegar. I am doing an apple cider vinegar wash, which it helps flatten my cuticle layers. That way my hair could be a little bit more shinier, smoother, softer, less frizzy. I'm trying to get in the practice of stimulating my scalp. It also prevents any dandruff that may occur. And right now I use 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Please make sure you dilute it. That way your scalp could maintain the natural pH level, which is about 5. Doing this apple cider vinegar wash, it actually helps from fungal and bacterial growth too on the scalp. I know now it's the summertime, and a lot of people, especially if you have protective styles, you can accumulate different oils on your scalp. So this right here really strips and cleanses it really well. If you ever see the ladies, if you all wear braids and you have the weave and you see people patting their hair, sometimes as soon as you get braids, if your scalp itches or breaks out, have you all heard of people washing their hair with or soaking it in apple cider vinegar, and you can see the alkaline just lift directly from it? But that's another video. You all go do the research yourself on that. But yeah, I am massaging the scalp. I usually let it stay on for about 20-30 minutes or whatever the case is, and then I go ahead and rinse it, and I give it a shampoo, put in my leave-in conditioner, and go from there. So right now, you all, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and I will see you shortly. All right, so here it is. This is month 3. This is month 3. It is still growing slowly but surely, and I am going to put up a video comparing to week 3 right here. So looking at week 3 in the top corner, you can tell as I take the comb through it, you can tell how the hair, it is growing. Week 3 versus month 3, the hair is growing at a nice rate, slow rate. I'm not rushing the process. You got to be patient. Everyone's hair thickness is different, in addition to the porosity of it. So, just embrace what you have. Take a look at the length check. Haha. It's short, but it's growing, you all. Okay, one step at a time. I'm hitting right into it. Thank you all so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You all have an amazing day.